Hello, dear viewers. High cholesterol can increase the risk of heart disease and many other problems, but you don't need to fear because one way to combat cholesterol is by following a balanced diet with cholesterol-lowering ingredients. Today, I'm going to give you a recipe that not only tastes and looks great, but also helps in reducing cholesterol. Let's get ready to discover the incredible benefits of Butterfly Pea Flower Tea. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so we keep in touch. Thank you. In this recipe, you will be using butterfly pea flower. It has a stunning blue color. It also offers a range of benefits. Along with this flower, we will need 1 glass of water, cinnamon stick, piece of ginger, a lemon, and a teaspoonful of raw chia seeds. Soak 1 teaspoonful of raw chia seeds. This will allow chia seeds to absorb water and it gets puffed up. It gives our drink a wonderful texture. In a pot, add 1 glass of water, drop in a lemon, cinnamon, and piece of ginger. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also contribute to the cholesterol burning property. Bring the water to a boil and then let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. The simmering allows the flavor of flower, ginger, and cinnamon to infuse into the tea, creating a rich and aromatic base. After simmering, turn off the heat and let it cool for 15 minutes. This allows the flavor to develop further. Once it is cool, strain the tea, leaving behind a vibrant blue liquid that forms the foundation of our drink. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon into the same tea. Lemon adds to a citric flavor and also provides the boost of vitamin C. This tea, which would definitely lower the cholesterol, is ready. Butterfly pea flower contains anthocyanin, helps in combating oxidative stress and reducing the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon is known for lowering cholesterol. It helps reducing total cholesterol, ALD bad cholesterol, ALD-L bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Ginger, known for its spicy and warming flavor, offers various health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties and contributes to heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Chia seed, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, has shown to reduce inflammation and support heart health, while fiber aids in reducing cholesterol absorption in our body. This is all for today. Please share it with your friends. Take care and be healthy.